How to order a virtual Payoneer card step-by-step 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Payoneer and how you're going to be ordering a virtual card for yourself in the easiest way. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Payoneer app and from here, simply click on Cards. Once you click on Cards, click on Order New Card. And what that will do is it will load you into this section so you can choose your card type, okay? It can either be a physical card, which is great for ATM withdrawals and paying in stores, or it could be a virtual card, which is perfect for online payments. So it depends on you on whichever one you want to go with. Then once you've done that, you're going to choose the currency you want the card in. So it could be European, it could be USD, or GBP. So let's say I'm going to go ahead with the USD, and once you've done that, simply click on Order Card. And once you click on Order Card, what happens from there is it says the USD card has been ordered, and there we go. So it takes up to 3 business days, and once everything is done, you shall have your Payoneer card on you, and that is pretty much about it. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.